Tarte Pure Maracuja oil for you, which I got from America. One of my friends recommended this oil to me, and I have been using it since 3 months, and I'm completely in love with this product. When it comes to oil, we kind of get scared thinking that it's going to make my skin oilier, or it's going to give me acne. But if for as far as my experience is concerned, I have enjoyed using oil. I have an oily skin, and I right now have oily combination skin, and oil just worked perfectly for my skin. And this is the reason, because you need to get the right oil. Somehow previously I used to apply any kind of oil, and they used to break me out and never helped me that much. Then I started using extra virgin oil, and then I realized that the importance of extra virgin oil. They actually are good, and pure oil only gives the maximum benefit to your skin. So that's the reason I started using oil, and I have tried a number of oil, and one of my favorite is Forest Essential Sesame Oil, which I will suggest to dry skin more, because it kind of hydrates skin a lot. But when I was using the Forest Essential Sesame Oil, I got a little bored of using so much of oil, and it was good. It hydrated my skin and it worked well. But when I compare it with this Tarte Maracuja oil, then this is way better. The reason being is that it has helped me in improving the texture of my skin, and it not only has reduced the oil coming out from my skin, and it also has brightened up my skin tone, and it has reduced the pigmentation problem, and even it has helped me in even out my skin tone. Yes, this product really works, guys. As far as the price is concerned, I got this for around like $30 from US. It is available in India as well, something to be happy about. This is available in 3 sizes. There is this roll-on oil, Maracuja oil, which is of around like 2000, and then there is this then it is also available in 7 ml, which is of 2500 rupees, and I got the biggest bottle, which is I think it is of 75 ml, and as I got it from America, so this is just of $30. They're way cheaper than what we get in India here. And somehow I knew that it's going to work on my skin, therefore I got the bigger bottle, and I'm so happy that I'm thinking that I might get a backup of this. How I use the Maracuja oil is after cleaning after cleansing my skin and removing all the makeup off, I apply this oil and sleep with it. I don't need any moisturizer or any serum after using this. This is the perfect solution of everything which I need, seriously. And I use it, and to get the maximum benefit, I use my Olay Pro X cleansing system, which gives me thorough cleansing and thorough cleaning. So after using that, after removing my makeup from that, I use 2-3 drops of this oil, and trust me guys, I wake up with a hydrated and bright looking skin, which is quite rare. Oil has vitamin C in it, and most vitamin C products give me acne. I don't know why, but I have tried ample things which has vitamin C in it, and they have always given me acne. So I was kind of a little scared once I read that this Maracuja oil has a bit vitamin C in it, but it worked, and it never gave me any kind of acne as such. Also use it on your hair, knee and elbow, or the dry areas, and if you apply it on the hair root, then they kind of soften and they look pretty and beautiful. But it is so expensive, guys, that I don't like to use that on my dry areas. I am pretty happy applying body butters or anything else, rather than using this favorite oil of mine, which is the Maracuja oil. What I like about this product is that I need just 2-3 drops of it, and I have been using it since 2-3 months, and see, almost like I have not even finished 1/4 of the bottle, and I have used it almost every day. It really lasts for a long time, and I even use it during the day, and I use it at night, that I already told you, and it never makes me feel greasy. My skin absorbs it in 2-3 seconds, and I never felt irritated after using it. So it's not that you can use it only at night, and if you have dry skin, I think you can use it under, you can mix it in your moisturizer as well. I'm not pretty sure about it because I don't like to use this before my foundation. I think it's going to make me a little greasy, therefore I haven't tried that. Which we have is the pigmentation problem, and whenever you will read any product review or if anybody will share the experience with you, you will always see that there is a temporary effect after when you stop using it. The product doesn't show it result and the pigmentation is back. But with this product, even when I give it a break, then also my skin tends to look the way it is. I'm not saying that it is going to completely take away your pigmentation, but you will definitely see even skin tone, a brighter skin tone, a glowing looking skin with this oil, the regular use of this oil. As far as packaging is concerned, it comes in a glass bottle and you can take out 2-3 drops it comes with a dropper. And it's not that travel friendly because it's a glass bottle, but I have carried it around and by God grace it has survived. So I won't suggest you to take it with you when you are traveling. Probably you can buy a roll-on of this Tarte oil. That might, if you're really like want to take it, or you're going for a long vacation, then you can you can buy the roll-on as well. I think it's a pretty good deal to invest in this Tarte pure maracuja oil. This stuff really works, and I'm really happy how my skin is looking, and I don't think so I'm going to change, and I would like to change my skincare regime for a long time. So yes, that's pretty much it, guys. And if you like the review and if you would like me to share more reviews like this with you, then do hit the like button. I'll see you again. Till then, bye bye.